Hey, so you wanna know how to delete Safari history on your new iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone? So here's a quick and easy way to clear browsing history, cookies, and website data on iOS 26 to keep your iPhone clean and private. So first you have to open up your Safari and tap the search icon at the bottom and you will see all your recent browsing history here. And if you're already on a website, tap the search icon, then hit the cross icon to view your full history again. You can't delete a single item from here, so to clear everything, just tap this clear all option. But if you want to clear everything in a customized way, including cookies and website data, you will need to go to your settings. Then go to apps, and here you have to search for Safari. Then scroll down and tap clear history and website data. Choose how much you want to delete, like last hour, today and yesterday, or all history. You can also close all open tabs for a cleaner reset. Now to remove stored website data, scroll to the bottom, then tap Advanced, go for website data, and from here you can delete one by swipe left, but for remove all, scroll to the bottom, and here you will find this remove all website data option. Just hit it and confirm it. And that's it. All your Safari history and saved website data are gone and making your iPhone faster, cleaner, and fully private. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.